We are going to learn yet another functionality in Minitab called make indicator variable. What it does is, so it converts the data into zeros and ones, and then you have, for example, we have four season. It will convert all those categorical value, and it will, wherever the values are there, it will assign as one, and wherever values are not there, it will assign as zero. So when you have a large categorical value, just to assign how the spread of the data is there, this may be very useful. It is underrated one, but sometime based on your requirement, you may definitely use it. Let's go ahead and learn it. So make indicator variable. Before I could do that, let me just click on help. So it gives a bit of information used to create the indicator variable for selected categorical variables. For example, categorical variables in our example, we are going to learn season, four season, right? Minitab create one indicator variable for each of the level of the variable and assign the proper binaries, zeros and ones to each observation. Indicator variable often called dummy or binary variables. So how to, so you have here and distinct value, and then you have, I'm going to go to the main topic, examples. In the examples, you can see here, for example, let's say spring. So it matches, so it gives one, and let's say summer, it gives one, and then fall, in fall, it gives one, and then winter, it gives one, right? So what it does is it just, it assigns the values. Wherever the value is being found, it gives one, and then wherever value is not there, it gives zero, right? Make indicator variable doesn't produce output in the session window because this is not performing any calculation, statistic, and all that. It is just visual the data, stratified the data, and so on, right? So let's go ahead and learn that one. And this is an example which we are going to learn today. You're conducting regression analysis. As you know, the regression mean we need a variable of your company daily sales. Based on your knowledge of the market, you decide to include season of the year. A categorical value, right? Four season we have. That means four categorical value. In your model, season has four distinct categories like spring, summer, winter, and fall. Or you can call it as autumn. You want to create indicator variables of these categories. So we can take the value directly from season sales and then we can do it. So I have already taken that from it. So this is the data set we have. And from the season sales we have taken already. All we can do is we can go to calculator and make indicator variable. And then you can say we are going to convert this one, right? For example, let's say this is the sales and salesman, it is giving by the value, but we don't need the value. So we need by season, four seasons, right? So it has given by four season, you can have a click and it is, you can see that it is split the data into this thing. For example, spring, only wherever the spring is there, it is given now, right? For example, let's say summer, in summer alone, you will find the values being assigned as one, and same goes for fall, same goes for winter. So let me know if you can, how you are going to apply this technique. And this is there in Minitab. In the name of, you can go to Calci and then you have make indicator variable. I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel. You have a wonderful day.